it's me, Triple G, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I'm coming at you guys with a quick, cute makeup video today. We are going to be trying out different lipsticks that you can pair with a smoky eye. I don't know what I'm going to title the video yet, but that's the premise of the video. We might, try some red lipstick, maybe a pink one, and then a nude, of course. And to show you guys how it can look not only on my skin tone, well, my skin tone because it's just me, but it can work for others as well. So yeah. And coming at you Friday will be the Quarry, of course. Day it comes out. I'm super excited, and I'm actually going to challenge myself to post every day until like I finish the game, or at least like if I skip one day it'll be right after that, type thing. But I'm gonna try to do it every day until we finish the game. Longer videos, of course, because it's kind of like a movie, so you gotta like watch it like a movie. Maybe live streaming, maybe, but regardless, the Quarry will be on the channel starting Friday, and I'm super excited. So hope y'all ready for that, and I hope you watch and support this video today, and I hope you enjoy. And yeah, that's it. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, I have my makeup on, the full look. What are we thinking? How are we feeling? 10 out of 10 for me. Got the smoky bronze action. One of actually my favorite type of eyeshadow looks I like to do. I love staying in the neutral browns, nudes. Don't know why, I think it just looks so good on my skin tone, on every skin tone, to be honest. But yeah, let's get right into the lipsticks. First, wait, before I get into the lipsticks, how are we feeling about the Fenty skin tint with a more full look? 10 out of 10. Like this ain't even as full coverage as my NYX, and it's looking smooth. It's looking crisp. And I ain't got no lashes on. Of course, lashes will make every look better, to be honest, but I wanted to see how it would come all together, and I think it looks pretty well for it to be no lashes. So to the lipsticks. So first we're gonna do the more simple, which would be lip gloss. I'm extra, I like my glitter, but you can do a simple clear gloss too. I have that as well, but we're gonna see with the one with the glitter because I have not tested this color out yet. So it's the Shimmer Bomb by Revolution. My bad, should have showed y'all before opening it up. I ain't even showing y'all the, oh, here I go. All right, yeah, and it's in the color Light Beam. So let's see how Light Beam is beaming. She's beaming. She's beaming. Well, actually, here it is before the clear lip gloss. It's very glittery. This formula is like thicker, so it doesn't like go on like, I don't want to say it doesn't go on smooth because it is smooth, but the consistency just isn't as buttery as like other lip glosses I've tried. So I'm gonna put a clear lip gloss on top, especially if you don't want to look too boom boom pow as well. So let me do that. All right, and here we are with the clear on top. Honestly, probably made it a little more boom boom pow, a little bit. What do we think? I'm gonna look at it side by side when I'm editing, and I'm gonna type to see what I think. But either way, regardless, I'm loving it. This is number one. Ooh, and if you have a gloss that has like brown shimmers, like the Fenty, the hot chocolate and Fenty lip gloss, this 10 out of 10. But I wanted to see how this looked once again. So yeah, lip gloss example. This as well. I actually would prefer this if I was like going anywhere. I would put this on with this look. But 10 out of 10. Well, 9.8 out of 10. On to the next lip. And now we're gonna go into a nude slash pink with a lip liner combination. I usually will go a little more nude than this color I'm about to show you guys. It is MAC in shade You wouldn't get it. And this is the color, Pretty in Pink. And like I said, I would give a more actual nude option, but your girl just finished that tube of lipstick, so I need to go buy some more. but this is a good alternative that I feel would go good with every skin tone as well. And then we're using this NYX lip liner that I really need to sharpen. And I'm also gonna put a little bit of this dark brown lipstick that I just got from the beauty supply store. So yeah. You also could just do a brown lip. Just put the brown lipstick on. 10 out of 10 as well. And if you want to get glassy, put a little bit of clear gloss on the top. Also that. Just thought of that. See? There's multiple ideas you could do and that I didn't even think of before. 10 out of 10. Alright, and here we are with our pretty in pink on and lip liner. What are we feeling? What are we thinking? This is more of the, you want to keep it more neutral. You don't want it to be like pow. And it's matte as well. So it's more of just the subtleness of it. And hello Discord. And I don't know, I guess it is more of a natural than like a very glossy, glittery gloss or a popping red, which we'll be doing next, or a black, or like a really, really dark purple. That might as well be black. So let's go on to the red. A close-up real quick of the brown. Oh, well, neutral lip liner. Yes. I forgot to rate the last lip look, and I'll give that one if I give the first one, the lip gloss, an 8. I think I'm gonna bump up the lip gloss to like an 8.5, and then the one we just did with the lip liner is an 8. Yes. But next, let's get into our red lip. It is by Too Faced in the color Dessert First. And this is what the packaging looks like, really cute. They had like a dessert themed collection a little while back. And I got a tester from Ulta. So yes. Well, I'm gonna put this on and be right back. Alright. We are back with the red. And before I get into it, I didn't just use the Too Faced color. I used the one I showed you, another Too Faced one in the color Apple Acai, and I also mixed in a little bit of, I got my glasses on, hold on with me, the Bonnet Buzz, and it looks like this. If I'd have thought about it, would have just used this, because for me personally, when I wear red, I wear this looks more pink than like a red, and I like a real true like cherry, like I'm trying to see if I have an example, like a true red, maybe closer to, that looks kind of pink too. Why are reds looking pink today? I'm like an apple red, like when you think of the freshest, nicest, crisp red apple, I like that type of red lipstick, and this is like going more to the pink side. It through the camera, it definitely is looking more like a hot pink, like the colors are popping a little more, but in person it is more like, it does look a little more red in person, so I guess it's like a more of a, you gotta see it in person type thing. But regardless, I think it looks cute, I think it looks pretty. This is definitely for the bold, the ones that want to be bold. And yeah, another look. I like it. I should do more bold lips more often. And it's like, especially if you want the lips to be the moment, this looks really good with a smoky eye, because it's like, this is the focus and not the eyeshadow. So it really depends on what you're going for. So yeah. On to the next color, or to the last one, lipstick. Alright, into the last lip look, we are going in with Pat McGrath. Love you, Pat. Sponsor me, Pat. Sponsor me, Pat. I love your makeup. 10 out of 10. Sponsor me. Okay, this is in the color Deep Void. This is that very dark purple, almost black color I was talking about earlier. And before we move on to, I forgot to rate the last lip color, the red, and I'll give that I don't know what to give that. It might be tied. It might be an 8 as well. But I feel like in person, I don't know. I have to look at the editing, but it could be either 8 or a 9, depending. We'll see. I'll put it in the editing. Y'all see it scrolling right now. All right, let's put her on. All right. Let's make sure nothing's on my teeth to begin with. But in here is Dark Void. Now, this is not a color for everyone. This specific color, I do know it's more out there, and it's pretty much black. But I love a dramatic look. And look how white the teeth look against it. Just make sure it don't get on there. Just make sure it don't get on there. But I am loving this with the whole look. Like the smoky, the black lip. Ooh, and if I had lashes on, ooh, 10 out of 10. Like legit, that's my rating for this. If at least a 9.5, but 10 out of 10 for me. This ended up being my favorite lip. And I'm not surprised, especially during the fall. I love a good dark lip. Red is usually my second favorite, especially when I am wearing lipstick, but I do love a good gloss too. But I do love a nude. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. And I like how my pink blush is like, it's like all coordinate. It's all working together. And yeah, 10 out of 10 for me, my favorite out of the 4 that I did. But yes, let me get a thumbnail and then we're gonna do an outro. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please let me know what your thoughts were. What lip was your favorite in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I forgot to say that at the beginning, but please do. Yeah, I need to do, let me know if you want me to test out any kind of makeup products. Like if you want me to review lipsticks, try on different lipsticks with certain looks like today. Eyebrows, really any makeup, and let me know if you want to see a review or like how it looks on my skin type of video thing. Yeah. And yes, remember the Quarry coming out Friday. We'll be doing that. Super excited. And of course more makeup to come. We're trying to stay consistent with like both sides of the channel. So yes. Oh, and a special effects makeup will be coming. That should be the next makeup video after I do everything with the Quarry and all that. So, or maybe I'll throw it in there. Like if I gap it, we'll see what happens. But until next time,